heart as a flash through sky. When do you say flash? When you say flash means okay, kind of giving too much light, okay, and they hit the air so quickly it makes a loud booming noise like an explosion. This is thunder. Can you read it one more time?
Sparks of lightning are incredibly hot. As they flash through the sky, they hit the air so quickly that it makes a loud booming noise like an
Okay. Then next one. Tornado. We have watched the tornado, okay, video. Do you remember that?
No, not really.
Tornado is like this. We take a look at this tornado. This is a tornado. 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 This one. Okay.
What the?
So spinning is a spinning twist of wind. Okay. Is can you explain to me one more time? Okay. What is tornado? Spinning twist of wind. Okay. Okay. Okay, come here. Which speeds across the ground. Okay. Sucking up. Okay. Sucking up. When you say sucking up, here, you see that? Sucking up here. Look at this. Sucking up here. Look at this. What happened to house?
And the house is
Sucking up everything in its path. Okay. So, tornado. Okay, now, okay, sis. Shiloh? No, okay, here. Tornado happen mainly in North America. Hurricanes are another kind of spinning storm, but they begin over warm tropical area. So, what's the difference between tornado and hurricane? Which one? Hurricane happens over warm tropical seas. But what about the tornado? Tornado happens mainly in North America. Okay? This one.
What? Oh my god, this is happening.
What about this?
Cheese!
She must be intimidated, okay? Then, okay, now, let's paraphrase it. Paraphrase means to say another language. Look at this. Can you read it? To find out how far away the storm is, you can count the number of seconds between the flash of lightning and the sound of thunder. Okay. For every 3 seconds you count, the storm is approximately 1 kilometers away. Say this one. Thunder is caused by lightning. When lightning flashes through the sky, becomes extremely hot and heat the air around it very rapidly. Tornado is violently spinning column of wind that moves across the ground, sucking up anything in its path. Okay, here, look at this. To estimate how far the thunderstorm is, count the second between the lightning strike and the thunder that follows. Every 3 seconds means the storm is about 1 kilometer away. Well, okay, tell me, please answer me. What about every 3 seconds? What happened to the storm? Tell me. It's about 1 kilometer away. Thundercloud can grow to massive height. Hey, sit here. Thundercloud can grow to massive height, sometimes stretching up to 16 kilometers in the sky. The thunder happens because of lightning, as lightning strikes across the sky. What about tornado? Tornadoes are violently spinning column of air that travels across land, sucks up anything in their path. Most tornadoes happen in North America. Hurricanes are another form of rotating storms from over warm tropical waters. Okay, what about this one? 2. You can measure a storm's distance by timing how long it takes to hear a thunder after seeing lightning. For every 3 seconds, the storm is roughly a kilometer away. What about lightning? Lightning is a cause of thunder. As it flashes through the sky, lightning hit the surrounding. What about tornado? Tornadoes are spinning wind that move across land, pulling an object in their path. Okay, let me ask you a question, okay? How can you tell how far away the storm is? How can you tell how far away the storm is? You count the second between lightning and thunder. Okay? You measure the time gap between the flash and the sound. How many seconds equal 1 kilometer in storm distance? How many seconds equal 1 kilometer in storm distance? And here, this is the answer. To find out how far away a storm is, count the number of seconds between the lightning and the thunder. The storm is 1 kilometer away for every 3 seconds you count. So, okay, one more question. How many seconds equal 1 kilometer in storm distance? Every 3 seconds equal 1 kilometer. For each 1 second delay, the storm is 1 kilometer away. Okay, what about how tall can thunderstorm get? How tall can thundercloud get? Here.
One of the biggest thunderstorms tower is
Up to 16 kilometers. They can reach height of 16 kilometers. So, how does that compare to Mountain Everest? Yeah. How does it compare to Mount Everest?
Nearly twice the height of the Mount Everest.
Yes, nearly double the height. One more time. How does that compare to Mountain Everest? It's nearly double the height. Okay, next. What caused thunder? What caused thunder?
Thunder causes a flash through the sky.
Yeah.
They hit the air so quickly they make a loud booming noise like an explosion.
Yeah. Thunder comes from the sudden heating of air by lightning. Why does lightning make a loud sound? Why? Why does the lightning make a loud sound?
They hit the air so quickly that it makes a loud booming sound.
Yeah.
Noise.
The quick heating causes the air to expand explosively. What does thunder sound like?
Thunder sounds like an explosion.
Yeah, like an explosion. It sounds similar to a booming blast. Okay, what is a tornado? Here. What is a tornado? Answer me.
Tornado is a spinning twist of wind which spins
Yeah.
across the ground.
Spinning column of wind moving over land. What does tornado do as it moves? What does tornado do as it moves? Here.
Sucking everything.
It sucks up everything in its path. Where do tornadoes mainly occur? Where do tornadoes mainly occur? In North America. Okay? What is another type of spinning storm? What is that?
Hurricane.
Hurricane. Tell me about, where do hurricanes start? Where do hurricanes start?
Hurricanes stays up to
Hurricane also, start over warm tropical area. Okay? How fast can hurricane wind blow? How fast?
stays
Up to
to
240 kilometers per hour. Okay? So what amazing thing did the tornado do in 1931? It lifted the train and dropped it in a ditch.